Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable Snapchat calls. We will explore some of the possible ways to disable Snapchat calls. First, turn off message notifications. Turning off messages notifications is one of the ways you can prevent Snapchat messages and call notifications. This won't entirely disable calls but will mute the notifications for messages and calls of the Snapchatter. To enable, open the Snapchat. On the camera screen, tap the message icon next to the search bar. Then, on the chat settings, press and hold the conversation. Then, tap on this. Tap the message notifications. Then, toggle off. Once the message notification is toggled off for any conversation, you won't be notified of new messages and calls from the user. Second option, disable Snapchat notifications. Tap the settings app on your phone. Tap apps or search manage apps. Scroll down until you locate the Snapchat app. Here, there are options to turn off general notifications, calls only, and messages only. If you want to turn off notifications for calls only, toggle off the notification. When you do this, all Snapchat calls and messages won't appear on the notification screen on your phone. Third option, disable Snapchat calls and microphone permission. Another option, put your phone on mute or on do not disturb. This option is preferable when you don't want any social media distractions or any general, especially when you're busy. Putting your phone on mute and do not disturb will silence all app notifications. These settings may differ depending on the type of Android phone you're using. So let's use the easiest way to do this. Swipe down to the control center or notification panel. Then, tap mute or do not disturb button to turn on silent mode on your phone. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.